YouTube, what's up guys? I got a box. I think I showed it in the last video. If not, mostly just stuff from Honda. Getting some stuff done on my car, kind of. I was gonna probably move my dash and see what I have to do my shifter box possibly tomorrow morning, since my dad left and took the shed keys. So I'm gonna pull the dash out, put it probably in the back here somewhere. I want to put the clutch in too, because it's just sitting here, and I figure I could probably put the clutch in, move the motor, put the clutch in, and put the motor in the car. But for now, I'm gonna try and fuck with moving the dash and see what's under here, because it's been like, I don't know, a long time. So I'll get back to you in a second, show you what's in the box first. But it's really just junk that I kind of destroyed when I was getting the shifter cables. It's mostly like all the like cotter pins and miscellaneous stuff like that. And then I bought a OEM oil filter because they were on the cheaps on Honda Parts Now. You ever need OEM stuff? I just order it from Honda Parts Now and go. So I'll be back in a second because I kind of can't hold the camera and do this. But it'll be fun. What up, YouTube? We're back. It's day 2 of Marcus actually being somewhat committed to his race. We were looking at it, mostly me and my brother. He was kind of looking at the harness. His car is done, so he has nothing to do. I think he wants to help me get this back. We're back together. So yesterday, if you saw, which you probably didn't because I haven't edited that video yet, but I'll edit it in a minute. We were here pulling relays out for, this is the door popper system, as you've seen many times. And there, that's the thing we're gonna end up knocking out, probably ruining the paint, but it's alright. My brother also said I could also just like wire in a popper, because it's probably gonna be a race car anyway. So we figured out in the other video, I was like, oh, can we use this harness? Well, I found out that harness is just like the dash harness, the instrument cluster harness, and that my ignition harness plugged into it somewhere else. So I didn't know that. I don't know. So basically, this harness just has to, it's already plugged into the fuse box and stuff. We just need to get some, let me